Have you ever seen that massive Shiva statue, standing right in the middle of the ocean? 123 feet tall, eyes wide open, the entire Arabian Sea at his feet. But here's what nobody tells you. Murdeshwar temple didn't become sacred because of that statue. There's a secret here, far bigger than that. This entire holy place was born from one mistake Ravana made. And most people don't even know the story. Ravana was no ordinary demon. He was a master of the Vedas, a gifted Veena player, and one of the greatest devotees of Lord Shiva who ever lived. His penance was so intense, so unwavering, that Shiva himself was moved. And Shiva granted him a gift unlike any other. The Atmalinga. A sacred linga carrying the very essence of Shiva's own soul. Whoever holds the Atmalinga cannot be defeated by anyone. Ever. Even the gods trembled. If Ravana takes this to Lanka, all three worlds are finished. The gods ran to Ganesha in desperation. And Ganesha came up with a plan, simple, but devastatingly effective. Ravana was traveling with the Atmalinga, heading toward Gokarn. Shiva had set one condition when giving the linga. If it touches the ground even once, it will stay there forever. It will never move again. Ganesha disguised himself as a young Brahman boy and stood in Ravana's path. It was dusk. Sandhya time. And Ravana, the devout Brahman that he was, could not miss his evening prayers. Ravana, boy, hold this for just a moment while I pray. The boy, all right, but I'm just a small child. If you take too long, I'll call out 3 times. On the 3rd call, I'll set it down. Ravana laughed. He began his prayers. That was his mistake. 1, 2, 3. The Atmalinga touched the earth at Gokarn and sunk in. Permanently. Ravana returned, furious. He grabbed it. He pulled. He tore at it with rage and shattered it into pieces. In that moment, one fragment flew across the ocean and landed right here. This exact spot. What we call Murdeshwar today. But it wasn't just a broken piece of stone. It was the Kavacha, the protective shield of the Atmalinga. The armor of Shiva's own power. And that is why this place has that name. Amaru means shield. Ishwar means Shiva. Mrideshwara Murdeshwar. The very name of this town is a witness to that ancient story. When you stand before the linga at Murdeshwar and take darshan, you are not standing before an ordinary stone. You are standing before the armor of Shiva's soul. A fragment touched by Ravana himself. Charged with the power of the Atmalinga. If the original Atmalinga rests at Gokarn, then Murdeshwar holds its shield. Equally powerful. Equally sacred. And that 123-foot Shiva standing by the ocean? Look at the direction of his gaze. He is staring toward Gokarn. Shiva, looking at his own Atmalinga. Across the sea. For eternity. If stories like this move you, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Temples, Stotras, and so much more coming your way. Comment, Shiva, if this story gave you goosebumps. Next video, another hidden secret of Karnataka is waiting.